A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. A meditation to increase trust begins with setting intentions. Before beginning the meditation, take a few moments to focus on why you want to increase your trust. Is it for yourself, God, others? This will provide clarity and direction for your practice. Once your intention is set, start by finding a comfortable posture that allows you to be relaxed yet alert. Begin focusing on your breath as it moves in and out of your body. As thoughts arise, observe them without judgment or attachment, and simply let them pass away like clouds in the sky. As you continue breathing deeply and relaxing into the present moment, bring any awareness of trust into your meditation practice. Visualize trusting yourself and other people more deeply with each inhale. Allow it to fill you with strength and courage. Picture these positive thoughts as warm, loving force that radiates through your body and your soul. Breathe in and out. Trust can be cultivated with patience and understanding. No matter how much progress you make during this meditation, know that trust is something that is granted by choice. With each breath, remind yourself to stay open to trusting yourself and others more deeply in the future. Breathe in and out. You always have the option to set and maintain boundaries to keep you happy, healthy, and safe. Again, breathe in and out. When you are ready to end your session, take a few moments to bring awareness back to your physical body. Bring any feelings of trust you experienced into your daily life by noticing when this feeling arises in everyday situations. Thank yourself for taking the time to cultivate increased trust within yourself and for others.